What the fuck? Whoa! It's 5 a.m. 5 in the morning, and today's gonna be a pretty rad one. 5:30 in the morning. It's a late start. First of all, I want to apologize for another GoPro vlog. Another one. I say that like I do this often. I will do them more often. I think they're fun, and hopefully they won't be on GoPro forever. Hopefully. We're taking the Tesla today. It's my comfortable cruiser. Lauda is a small town about 4.5 hours outside of Oslo. And it is going to be home to a pretty big air-cooled Porsche event run by Porsche Norway. So I'm headed there just for the day to take some promo stuff and to push my involvement in the event. And of course, and hopefully, you guys will be joining me the whole way. But since we're in the Tesla, let's try some acceleration. See how that... Whoa! I forgot how fast this car is.
Find yourself alone.
I am so fucking tired. I'm struggling so much to stay awake. I've never done this. I've never bailed on a long drive. Oh, but I have to rest. So I'm just gonna pull into the charging station, plug her in, and lay down for just a quick nap. Just a quick nap. I'm back on the road, I promise. I'm not gonna actually film me sleep.
A few moments later.
Okay. Just like that, here we go. Next stop, Lauda.
Produced a scrap of paper and conveyed a mixture of impatience and blunt resignation.
Just the truck in front of me is like on fire. The truck in front of me just slammed the brakes and so much smoke just came out. Oh no, it's the street cleaner. I thought the truck was on fire. It's just the street cleaner. I just realized that I didn't really explain why I'm here. I drove 5 hours or 4.5 hours or whatever it was to come all the way here this morning. Porsche Norway is hosting an air-cooled Porsche gathering. Pretty cool, right? Kind of like a Luftgekühlt vibe. They're gonna have... Shut up! So kind of like a Luftgekühlt vibe. They're gonna have a bunch of air-cooled Porsches that are gonna come to Lauda. Hosted by the man himself, Johannes Einemo, who has a hotel here, and a bunch of insanely rad cars, as you're about to see in a second, I promise. So while I'm at the event, I'm actually going to have like a photo booth where I'm going to permanently set up a place where people can come have their pictures taken with their cars and sort of show off that they were here at this event. So I'm here to do some location scouting and to prove the concept. Okay, just like that, we've made it. Ooh. Ladies and gentlemen, 4.5 hours of driving through the mountains, and we are in beautiful Lauda. Stop number 1, we're gonna get a car, and then it's time to go shoot. But yeah, let's get our bearings straight first. Stretch, and I have to pee. Hello, Johannes, it's Kyle. How you doing? Perfect, I will be here. See you then. Cool, and we're off and running. God, look at this. Hello. We just met, but you pulled up in this, and I cannot let you get away with not telling me about this car.
Yeah, this is it's a 1989 Mercedes 190 Evolution 1. It's they made 502 cars, 2 cars for racing and 500 for street legal. So this is basically a DTM car on plates. But the thing you can see on the Evolution cars, the original 2.516, the RPM RAD starts on 7,000. In the Evolution 1, it starts on 7,250 RPM. Then they made 18 cars with AMG power pack, Evolution 1. And then the red line starts at 7,500. This is like a car you just want to drive and drive and drive all day. These engines have different crankshafts in them than the original 2.5s, and you have also original suspensions hydraulic with the pump here, so you can lift it and lower it.
How difficult is it to lift the car?
No, just the bottom.
Just a button?
Yeah, you put it
In 1989?
Yeah. So you lift it, and when you drive to the highest level, it's just like a 4x4. And then you put it on the lowest level, and then it's become very stiff also. Yeah, I always dreamt of this car here. I just love it.
It's beautiful.
But I have some other cars in my garage also we can go and take a look at, and you can...
Let's do it.
This one in here, this is the 90s mullet collection cars.
90s mullet collection cars.
When you had these cars in 1990, you were the king. Then you for sure had the biggest mullet of everyone. I'm 100%. And this one is actually the Setter 1 Corvette.
Yeah.
This was the world's fastest car in 1990. They produced 6,900 cars. They are 3 inches wider than a normal C4 Corvette. It has Lotus designed engine, Mercruiser Marine build engines in all aluminium, 4 camshafts. It has ZF gearbox, 6-speed manual, and it actually have the same suspension as the Porsche 959. Then we have the Diablo. This is 1991 model, the 2-wheel drive. The best ones of all Diablos, the lightest, no ABS, no traction control, no 4-wheel drive. It's more like a Countach, and it have 500 horsepower. This car is extremely fast.
Oh, what the f...
First owner on this one was Flavio Briatore. He bought it new in 91. So this is have a good story, these cars.
How long have you had it?
This I had for 10 years.
Wow.
Bought it when I was 27 years old. That was many hours working to buy this car, and that was an experience I will never forget.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. So, we've got it, proof of concept. We're gonna try a second spot just to be sure, but I think it's pretty cool. Cool spot. People can come, bring their cars, and get a dope photo. So yeah, here we go. ridiculous. That is wild. Now it's time to shoot for fun. We've got everything we need. There's some extra time, and I think there's some pretty cool roads with some pretty cool views. So we're taking the Diablo. This is pretty wild. So we are on a closed mountain road, privately owned, no speed limits, just absolutely ripping in this Diablo. Look at this. Yeah. There's no one for miles. It was a special experience. I have a feeling I'm gonna get too caught up taking photos and I'm not gonna keep you guys updated. But anyway, if this is the last we talk, then here are the shots. Oh my God. This, I didn't expect this today. This is insane. It's so hard to put into words. My mind is blown. My Lord, I could spend weeks up here. But that's all the time I'm giving myself. Thank you very much for joining. Make sure to do all the YouTube stuff, the like, the subscribe, the comments. I don't know, I hate begging, but man, I had the best day ever. I'm glad you guys were there with me. More to come, so subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace.